The soak test for Android 8.1 Oreo for the Moto G4 Plus and Moto G4 was leaked in November 2018. But the update for the Moto G4 Plus finally came in after another 2 months. And now, 18 months after the release of Android Oreo, the Moto G4 is also receiving its update. The update bumps up the phone from Android 7 Nougat to Android 8.1 Oreo and updates the phone with December 2018's Android security patches, which is what the Plus variant received as well. Do note that you cannot downgrade your device officially after you install this update, which is standard practice. The update is rolling out to some users in Brazil, so we expect a broader rollout in the coming days. To Motorola's credit, the Oreo update was promised only for the G4 Plus. The marketing materials for the G4 did not make any promises, and Motorola made no update promises for the G4 when it re-promised Oreo for Plus variant. So the G4 actually receiving an update is to be considered a bonus by itself and not something they were obligated to do. Still, better late than never. Beyond simply waiting for the Android 8.1 Oreo OTA to appear, you can head to the Motorola software upgrade page for more information. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe the channel for more such updates.